Step into the 2020 Toyota Tundra. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, skid plates, lane departure warning, blind spot sensor, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.